Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. I am Sapphire. Welcome back everybody. Welcome back. Welcome back. If I have some newcomers here, welcome. And I hope and pray that there's something that I say or perhaps that you see here in the future or even today that would get you to come back for more. Now I'm washing my hair and I'm giving myself a protein treatment. I did show my shampoo which is from Shea Moisture Strength and Restore. This is the ApHogee 2-minute reconstructor, and lastly this is my Design and Essentials Wash Day Deep Moisture Mask. Okay, so as I'm lathering up, this is one application. I'm going to talk about each of these products, okay, just for time's sake. Now the shampoo that I showed, the Shea Moistures Strength and Restore, it has gotten a little better far as the thickness. The shampoo is a little thicker and it lathers up very, very quick. That was just one application. Okay, so I rinsed everything out and now I'm about to add my ApHogee Karatin 2-minute reconstructor. Okay, now I've been using Shea Moistures for a while. I've been using the Strength and Restore for a while as well, right along with the Raw Shea Butter line. I only use the Strength and Restore shampoo. I don't use the conditioner or their deep conditioner or their leave-in. I just like the shampoo. That's it. The ApHogee, I've been using this for a number of years as well. When I first started using it, I only applied it to my hair and left it on for 2 minutes, like it said. Maybe over a year, maybe 2 years, then I started leaving it on for 5 minutes like I'm going to do in this video. Okay, this video was pre-recorded. I did this Friday the 26th of April. Now I've been using the ApHogee, like I said, for quite some time. When I first started using it, I did exactly what the scientists say. I left it on for 2 minutes. Over time, since I stretch a little further, I leave it on for approximately 5 minutes. My hair is not stripped, it's not brittle, it's not hard or anything or dry. My hair is very moisturized. That's it. I don't leave it on no longer than 5 minutes. That's all it needs because it's a little stronger than a hair mayonnaise, okay? This is going to stay in my hair, like I said, 5 minutes. Everything is throughout my hair. I'm going to wrap it up with the plastic cap, pull my hair back as you see, and then I'm going to put my plastic cap on. I'm not going under my hooded dryer with this. I'm just going to do something around the house for approximately 5 minutes. Then again, I'll just sit in my bedroom, put these on the dresser, sit in my bedroom. That's it. So everything is in, and I'll be back in 5. Okay. I am back. I did this side already just for time's sake, and I'm going to work on the other side. So now I am putting the Wash Day Deep Moisture Mask from Design and Essentials. I've been using this now maybe a little over a year, and it goes on smooth. I have the mask, I have the leave-in conditioner, and I also have the shampoo from the Design and Essentials Naturals. Okay, I love using natural hair care products even though I am relaxed because they do give my hair that extra moisture, especially when it comes to deep conditioning. Even shampoo, my hair is hydrated, and this is what our relaxed hair needs. It needs hydration. Okay, so I'm working this in very, very well. Once again, in this video, I am 25 weeks post relaxer. Look at my hair. Y'all see this? My hair is manageable. Do you hear me? I mean, I can get the comb right through it. Why? Because I use products that work for my porosity. And I am very consistent with my products, especially when it comes to stretching my relaxer. I am on game when it comes to hydration and moisture. Okay? So I'm going to leave this in for approximately 30 minutes under my hooded dryer. You won't see that. Okay? So I'm just going to take my time, do everything, and finish off with the day. Right now, I have my hair in 2 French braids. Right now I do. And they're going to remain in there until Saturday. And then I'm going to do the things that I have to do to get my relaxer. So everything is in. Sometime I leave hair out like I did right there. You see that? All right. Thank you guys. Mwah. Bye.